welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to review a slime from a slime website called Momo Slimes because I was originally going to get a slime from the popular slime company Peachy Boogies, but it is very hard to get your hands on that slime. So the second best option was a brand called Momo Slimes. So I have our package right here. It's iridescent, sparkly. So let's open it. Or not. This is, it opens. Satisfying unboxing material. Ow. It's sticky. Okay, so do we open it? Ah, it's alive. Okay, let's see. There's a paper. Some packing slip. Some that in the corner. Ooh, yay! I got a slime care guide and some Sour Patch Kids. So let me open that. Where's the? Ooh. It's just a lot of angry unboxing. Hold on. Yeah, I did it. So let's see. That's the slime care guide. And then some Sour Patch candies and a pouch of borax. Okay, what does this say? Blah, 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 blah. Well, tips stuff. Okay, gorgeous, glamorous. Onto the slime. Ooh. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Opening it. Okay, so here's my little slime add-ins. I forgot what the slime was called, but it has marshmallows, flowers, and white chocolate. It's called rose and marshmallow latte. This is thick. This is huge. Keep away from clothes and children under 7. Cool, fun. Okay, so let's open it. Why is this hard to open? Here, let's get a surface. Hold on, let me just open it. You actually just swipe the cap off like that. Let me smell it. It smells like watermelon. Oh, that is sticky. Kind of. Okay, what is this? Slightly sticky. So it says, number 1, let it sit in the fridge. So I'm gonna go put this in the fridge. I'll be back in like, I don't know, I just took it out of the fridge. It was in there for about 5 minutes. It's not sticky or anything like that. So that's good. So now we're gonna add the add-ins. I dropped it. Hold on. Add-ins. We have 2 marshmallows. I'm gonna take them out. 2 pretty roses and what looks to be Hershey's white chocolate. It's time for some aesthetic slime. I'm gonna put it right there. That looks nice. Then add a little rose and a marshmallow. Another rose. Another marshmallow. Time to mix. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Let's take it out. Oh, it's heavy. Ta-da. Mixing in all the add-ins, get all the marshmallow and the fanciness and everything. It's starting to get kind of sticky, so I should probably put it back in the fridge. Yeah, this is really nice slime. Putting the add-ins in were really fun stuff. It smells very nice. It had the instructions, it had the care thing. This is actually like a lot of slime. It's like a very nice amount. So my overall rating, Momo Slimes is amazing. I love the slime, and I might buy from there. Again, this slime that I have is called Rose Marshmallow Latte, and you can check it out on the website. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this slime review was helpful. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye!